brightness and positivity.
I would say, why are we living otherwise?
Yeah,
If we don't feel the positivity and the richness of life in every single moment, then why are we alive?
absolutely.
So
Yeah, that's well put.
that's exactly what we are here to discuss now.
And
How to stay that way.
for those who don't know this, let me tell you that the couple of times, I think very few times that I've spoken to Vrinda on the phone, she comes across as someone जिससे कोई भी परेशानी discuss करो, it's going to just evaporate. All you need to do is tell her, oh, I'm not feeling good, and she will have one word for you, and immediately you'll be back to feeling good and positive and happy about life. So, Brinda, welcome to the Positive Project formally. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are streaming live now on Facebook, and everybody will be able to hear our conversation. So,
Super.
thank you. I'm obliged that you've joined us.
Thank you for having me. I'm obliged equally. So much
So,
more positivity to share.
we'll start right from scratch. What exactly
Yeah.
is a mind coach?
See, I'll start from even more basic.
Okay.
Ki, what is mind?
Yeah. Okay.
From forget mind coach. What is mind? It is such a deep subject, Charu. Ki most of us still don't know what is mind. We think mind is in the brain, but mind is not in the brain. Mind is in every cell of our body. Every single thought that we have, every single emotion that we have is affecting the biochemistry of every cell of our body. This is very, very, very powerful. So our mind is not separate from the body. Our mind and body are one entity. जैसे आपको पता होगा कि I started my career as a fitness coach, physical fitness coach. And over the period of time, I figured कि सारा खेल तो mind का है. The whole plays of the mind. And that is when my research started in around 2005. And I just went deeper and deeper into this particular subject. और ये subject आपको योग की तरफ लेके ही जाएगा, because the whole science of yoga, the ancient yogic science of our own country, इतना powerful है वो, क्योंकि वो सारा research ही mind पे है.
Hmm.
The whole, it's very scientific. Once you master the mind, by mind I mean simplistically put, it is our thoughts and emotions. हमारे खुद के भावनाएं और हमारे खुद के विचार, these have to be under our control. Once we have some form of mastery on that,
the way we respond to things that are happening around us, our reaction.
yes. See, our reaction is one thing. We even carry our reactions for months. You know, आज आपका argument हो गया, fine, you got angry, किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया, ठीक है. But वो reaction आपका 3 महीने तक चलता है.
Yeah.
3 महीने तक you are thinking about that. Why the person spoke to me like that? Oh, how hurt I was. When that happens, no, Charu, it is not a judgment thing. It is more to do with that thought, and that feeling is toxic for our human system. Yeah, actually, I'm talking medicine. I'm giving you a medicinal fact that every thought and every emotion, I'll smile for you if you're clicking the picture.
I thought I'll put it out so people can
Yes.
join us, but oh, it's back to my face on the screen. So you need to say something.
So it is our thoughts and emotions, वो उनको कंट्रोल करना इतना इसलिए जरूरी है क्योंकि हमारी पूरी हेल्थ उस पर डिपेंडेंट है. सारी जो लाइफस्टाइल डिजीजेज हैं आपकी, ब्लड प्रेशर, डायबिटीज, पीसीओडी, एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रोस्टेट इश्यूज, यूट्रस इश्यूज, ये सब कहीं ना कहीं जाके स्ट्रेस से कनेक्टेड है. So then what health are we talking about?
You are talking
Without
about
mind.
serious diseases, जिसके लिए doctors are going to list out a long line of medicines you're supposed to probably take for the rest of your life, and you're basically saying that all this can be controlled by controlling
Yes.
your mind.
Yes, all that, this can be firstly prevented by controlling your mind. Don't wait for a problem to occur in the first place. जब वो body में आ जाता है, then it is more, it's harder to get rid of it then, but it is still very, very possible. Because, I mean, I've got rid of PCOD like years back. Within 3 months. 3 months it was out of my system. And क्या किया था? सिर्फ प्राणायाम किए थे, diet और exercise तो वैसे ही है, and just some homeopathy also work.
See, that's why I keep telling everyone. So I've spoken about you to a lot of people in the last couple of days, and I've told them all that Vrinda is one person who's going to continue getting endless phone calls from me now, because she seems to be
Oh,
this one-stop shop for any issue in life, whether it is not being able to lose weight even though you're trying very hard, or it is coping with anxiety and stress related to work reasons, family issues, anything and everything, and you're this one person who can bring everything to a closure and make things easy. So Vrinda, is there like a physical process to how you're supposed to direct your mind into a more positive thinking
yes.
process?
Yes, but first I touch upon what you just said, Charu. Why it brings all these issues in life to that one person is because everything boils down to that one thing called your mind. So whoever is going to get mastery over the mind is going to be able to resolve all these issues. So I'll quickly share with you that when I'm saying that our thoughts and emotions, अगर हम समझ लेना कि कितना power है उनमें, not just for our health, it is also for managing every aspect of our life. चाहे वो फाइनेंशियल हो, चाहे वो करियर हो, चाहे वो रिलेशनशिप हो, ये तीन चीजें तो हैं, चार चीजें हैं जो हमारी स्टेट ऑफ माइंड को अफेक्ट करती हैं. Am I right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So once we get some kind of understanding कि हमारी thoughts और emotions क्या रोल प्ले करते हैं हमारी फिजिकल बॉडी में, हमारी लाइफ में, that we actually end up attracting into our life whatever we are thinking about. ये actually fact है.
So positive
Like कितने लोगों ने
manifestation,
experience.
that's what you're saying.
Yeah. Manifestation is very, very powerful. But yes, it is not such a simple subject. It is a very deep and a very scientific subject. So manifestation is, once you deeply understand it, you apply it very productively. And yes, उसका एक practice होता है. जैसे physical fitness का एक practice है. Like you have to eat a healthy diet, you have to do daily exercise. वैसे ही mental fitness का भी एक practice है. You have to have a healthy diet of good thoughts and emotions. You have to have a daily practice of a good mental fitness practice, which has to include pranayams. और why pranayams is because हमारी जो सांस है, हमारी जो breath है, it is directly connected with our mind. That is why in the yogic sciences इतना emphasis उन्होंने breath पे दिया है कि आप एक तरीके से breathe करेंगे तो mind एक तरीके से चलेगा. A certain kind of energy moves in your system. आप ऐसी मुद्रा करेंगे तो आपका माइंड ऐसे मूव करेगा. इट इज वेरी वेरी साइंटिफिक. हमने सिर्फ क्योंकि वी हैव हैड सो मेनी इयर्स ऑफ फॉरेन सब्जुगेशन, तो हमने अपनी खुद की जो साइंस है उसकी वैल्यू समझी नहीं, और अभी पूरा वर्ल्ड योगिक साइंसेस की तरफ आ रहा है. And they're understanding what our yogis were trying to prove by studying the mind to such depth. कोई भी और ऐसा एडवांस साइंस नहीं है वर्ल्ड का जिसने माइंड को इतनी डेप्थ में रिसर्च किया. तो प्राणायाम तो हैव टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ योर डेली रूटीन टू बी एबल टू गेट सम फॉर्म ऑफ कंट्रोल ओवर योर थॉट्स एंड इमोशंस एंड मूड्स. हमारे तो मूड्स ही नहीं खत्म होते.
हाँ, मेरे तो मूड्स नहीं खत्म होते. इनफैक्ट this was going to be one thing I wanted to discuss with you today, and I'm sure many others feel like me. So every time we are going through some kind of a stress, that one little seed of thought is in your mind so much that you're thinking about it the minute you wake up, you're thinking about it when you're going to bed, through the day it stays with you. And at least for me, I understand I need to put it out of my mind because it's not helping me. It's taking away my productivity. But yet, so many times I'm unable to. And also, I'll add to this question. Eventually, when that worry leaves me, it is only me who's made it leave. It has never been an external intervention which has helped me. But I've never been able to pinpoint the process. I don't know मैं कब वो ठीक कर देती हूँ और मैं कब नहीं कर पाती हूँ.
True. It is क्योंकि हमने बचपन से चारों आपने आपको can you write very comfortably today?
Yeah.
है ना? Why is that?
Practice.
बचपन से.
Yeah.
बचपन से आपको थोड़ी किसी ने चॉइस दिया था पेरेंट्स ने कि बेटा अच्छा ठीक है नहीं पढ़ना है नहीं लिखना है तो छोड़ दो. No, that is something that you had to do. आपको तो हाथ पकड़ के किसी ने सिखाया था ना लिखने को. The same way, even more profound way, You have to take care of your mind and learn how to control it on a regular basis. उसको स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपको कंट्रोल करना और यूज कर एफिशिएंटली यूज करना सीखना पड़ता है, प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ता है. So then you will be able to, I'll give you a very quick, very simple tip, which I think आप सब लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हो. जब भी ऐसा कोई nagging thought अटका हो दिमाग में, वो जा ही नहीं रहा है, सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है, बस वो एक थॉट की वजह से सारा दिन खराब हो रहा है. Sit for 2 minutes in one corner and say 3, 2, 1, stop. Actually say stop to your thought.
And it stops.
Maybe it does, maybe it does not. But does that make you change your stance towards it? No. Maybe it stops, maybe it does not. But eventually, if you keep doing this, little by little, you start rewiring your brain and your mind starts listening to your command. It's as simple as जब भी आपने सबसे पहले चलना सीखना स्टार्ट किया था, जब भी आप पहली बारी गिर गए थे, क्या छोड़ दिया था आपने उम्मीद कि अभी तो हम कभी चल ही नहीं पाऊंगी? क्या आपके पेरेंट्स ने उम्मीद छोड़ दी थी कि एक बारी मेरी बेटी गिर गई, अभी तो कभी चलेगी नहीं है? No, we got up, we walked again, and we fell. And we got up and we walked again and we fell. We must have fallen 100 times before we could actually walk without support. Same is with the mind. Same is with the mind कि आप जितनी बार आप 10 बारी unsuccessful हो जाओ, but do not give it up. Do not. You keep trying. You keep trying. You keep trying. Over a period of time, you will gain mastery over your mind.
Yeah, and in fact, I remember this from one of our conversations. You had told me that it starts very young. So,
Yes.
of course, we can teach ourselves now at the age we are in, but it's even more important to make sure we approach our children with this mindset so that
yes.
they develop it early on in life.
Very, very, very important, Charu, because it is, see, हमारी, how many people were there influencing us जब हम बड़े हो रहे थे? 2 sets of parents, 1 set of parents, there was a few cousins, एक दो sibling and 10 friends maximum.
Yeah.
अगर बहुत popular हैं तो 10 friends. Now that area of influence is a few billion people in this digital era, in this social media times. The teenagers, the younger generation is finding it so hard to get a strong foundation क्योंकि उनका area of influence has become a few billion people. At least few thousands तो हो ही गए जो उनकी friend list में हैं.
Yeah, and also the impact of the internet and so much of television, and they've got exposure to the world.
See, I'll share something with you, Charu. I was on the panel for CNBC for saying the ill effects of technology and how internet has ruined our lives.
Yeah.
And I was like, that is something so bizarre. I said, internet is something that is so phenomenal that at a click of a button, I can have this conversation with so many people.
Yeah.
I can access deep scriptures, or I can access some ridiculous stuff. But I am the sensible one, so I can choose wisely.
Yeah.
I can choose my timing. I can choose how I wish to use this powerful medium called the internet. So एक बहुत powerful, important statement है कि with great power comes great responsibility. So जैसे आप, when you understand that such a vast field is available to you, I become more responsible. And I use it very, very efficiently and effectively. So problem internet में नहीं है, problem cigarette या alcohol में नहीं है, problem lies with my lack of self-discipline. We are in a habit of pointing fingers at everything else but us.
Yeah.
And ये सिर्फ finger pointing का भी problem नहीं है. It is just take responsibility. I need to take responsibility for my actions. मेरे को थोड़ी इंटरनेट ने अपने आप खोल के मेरे सामने आ जाएगा, या सिगरेट भी अपने आप जल के थोड़ी मेरे मुंह के अंदर जाएगी. Till I move my hand and take it, it is not going to affect me. So I become 10 times more responsible when I am in a volatile environment. This is why for the youngsters, it is very, very important to know dynamics of their mind, to know how the mind functions, to know कि mind को balance कैसे रखना है, क्योंकि एक बारी वो ये सीख लेंगे, then they would naturally know अंदर से कि कितना इंटरनेट यूज करना है, कितना नहीं करना है, अपने आप मन करेगा कि फोन ही रख दो, आई नीड सम टाइम टू बी क्वाइट, और कितना खाना है कितना नहीं खाना है, ये आपकी अंदर से फीलिंग आती है। किससे कैसे बात करनी है, ये भी अंदर की फीलिंग है। ये सिर्फ मॉरल साइंस बाहर से चिपकाने की बात नहीं है। So it is a wisdom that sprouts from within you.
Yeah.
So the younger generation has to be equipped, very much so equipped, to be this wise from a very young age.
Yeah, that's actually an issue we need to explore so much more.
Yeah.
And hopefully we'll have more time with each other, and maybe we can reach out to youngsters the next time and just speak to teenagers. That will be so amazing. But because this conversation is coming back to me again and again,
Huh.
you mentioned understanding this much is enough, making sure you're not eating beyond a point. But if I have to address an issue, and you said there is a physical process to it, I know if I am upset about something, if my anxiety levels are high, I tend to do emotional eating. That's when I'm going to overeat also, or I'm going to skip that chapati that was for dinner and maybe have a whole bar of chocolate later. So this is, of course, controlling the mind. And once we start controlling our mind, our health is going to start transforming. Our weight is going to be in the ideal bracket. We'll look brighter, skin will shine. But controlling the mind, that's the key. So the physical aspect of it. How do we make ourselves do it?
So when you keep mentioning weight, I must share with you that I used to be 90 kilos.
And no, yes, I'm not
when
in a picture like that. No.
That is years before I even became a trainer. मैं तो बॉम्बे से भी नहीं हूँ, मैं दिल्ली से originally my family is from Delhi, and I was 13 years old when I was that weight, and I overnight I decided I'm going to lose the weight. Even my parents could not believe. I mean, she's a kid, how is she going to lose the weight? But decided, something went very strongly in my head, bas karna hai. And that is how my journey into fitness started. So, and yes, of course, over years I figured out that what happened that day, something switched in my head. So I form a, oh, thank you, Girish, for the transformation, he's saying. Thank you so much. But I feel this power is in with each and every person. मैंने तो ऐसे अंधाधुंध कर दिया, but अभी तो उसका एक systematic process है. How we do it, Charu, on a like baby steps towards it, is take out 5 minutes every morning for being still with yourself and focus on your breathing. 5 minutes. I like to do it the moment I wake up in the morning. I just like to be still. Even I might not even be sitting up. Ab lete bhi up, you are just awake. Just be grateful for life. Take a deep breath and be grateful that you are alive. Be grateful that you have good health. This is the first starting tip to put you in a little pleasant mood. First thing in the morning. Otherwise, you all wake up really grumpy and, oh my God, another day. फिर घर में बंद होके रहना पड़ेगा, and the same story goes on.
Yeah.
Very interesting fact that science proves कि I will just address the questions in a bit. Science proves that we have
you just put them in the chat box and we'll take them one by one, the ones we find relevant. So we'll just address them right at the end of the session.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So we have around 60 to 70,000 thoughts in one day, average, according to science. And 95% of the thoughts are exactly the same as yesterday and the day before and the day before. जो autopilot पे चलते जा रहे हैं. You know, we are not even aware of those thoughts. कि life is a struggle. ये भी एक बहुत powerful thought है जो लोगों के दिमाग में चलता है. पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं उगते. You have to work hard for money. I don't believe in work hard at all. मेरी डिक्शनरी में वो शब्द ही नहीं है. It might shock a lot of people. I believe in hard work, not hard work. क्योंकि वो दिल से जब आप कुछ भी काम करते हो ना, तो वो हार्ड होता ही नहीं है. आप 20 घंटे काम कर लोगे, you will really not feel it because आप ऐसे जोन में होते हो when you are doing something you are passionate about, that you actually don't get even physically tired. आपको भूख भी नहीं लगेगी. So changing these small concepts little by little, baby step, what I was talking about, firstly, is start with this 5 minutes of gratitude in the morning. Then have a concrete practice of pranayams. 5 basic pranayams. First is the Bhastrika pranayam. Baba Ramdev has made them really popular. Really grateful for him to doing that great a job. I still remember when I was in 2005, I used to actually wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning, sit in front of Astha TV, and actually do the pranayams. And it benefited me a lot. Uh, Bhastrika pranayam, there is Kapal Bhati, which is very, very powerful. Anulom Vilom pranayam, very, very powerful for de stressing the mind. Brahmari pranayam, and the Udgit pranayam, which is the chanting of Om. These 5 basic pranayams are so amazing, such a great package to put together. आपको 10 मिनट लगेगा, maximum 15 मिनट. ये करे बिना रूम से निकलो ही मत. And while doing the pranayams, like I teach it as a proper workshop. It is called the manifestation workshop. Which is a way longer workshop where you understand the dynamics of the mind and you start creating 4 main aspects of your life. वो एक सेपरेट वो बहुत डीप सब्जेक्ट है, बट आप ये 15 मिनट में या 10 मिनट में say anything positive to yourself. Simple statements. I have perfect health. I am happy. Everything is fine. हमें टेंशन या तो पास्ट की होती है, दुख पास्ट का होता है, या टेंशन फ्यूचर की होती है. दोनों तो आए नहीं अभी तक. तो इस मोमेंट में तो कोई प्रॉब्लम है नहीं. सो जस्ट ब्रिंगिंग योर माइंड बैक टू द प्रेजेंट. क्योंकि माइंड भागेगा ना फ्यूचर में, 10 दिन लॉकडाउन खत्म होएगा तो क्या होगा, जॉब रहेगी नहीं रहेगी, पैसे आने हैं नहीं आने हैं, पेमेंट्स अटकी हैं, सो मेनी थॉट्स आर गोइंग ऑन इन एवरीबॉडीज माइंड राइट नाउ. तो ऐसे समय में अभी फ्यूचर आया नहीं, पास्ट चला गया है, तो ब्रिंग योरसेल्फ टू द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट is extremely beneficial, especially while you do the pranayams. And repeat all positive affirmations to yourself at that point of time. Over a period of time, you will start noticing that gradually your mood starts shifting. You start being a little more pleasant. People will actually come and tell you कि अरे यार, you know, आपके साथ बैठ के अच्छा लगता है. आपको वर्ड मेरे को कितनी बारी लोगों ने बोला है.
अभी मैंने बोला अच्छा लगता है
कि आप अभी तो मैं बात कर रही हूँ ना. So even if you meet somebody in person and आपने कुछ बोला भी नहीं है, but हमारी एक ऑरा रहती है, ऑरा में एनर्जी होती है. And this is not hocus pocus now, so they can take click pictures of your aura.
Yeah.
There are cameras to click pictures. So this is an energy field you have around you. So जैसे आपके विचार होंगे, जैसी भावनाएं होंगी, that kind of an energy field is there. तो आप कोई भी इंसान अगर स्ट्रेस में है, आपके पास भी बैठेंगे ना, so they suddenly start feeling calm because your energy field has mingled with their energy field. Energy is not racist. Energy is not religion. Energy will just flow. जहां पे डिप्लीट होगी, जिसके पास ज्यादा है उसकी चली जाएगी. एनर्जी तो एक ही है, जैसे ईश्वर है वैसे एनर्जी है, एक ही है. So these small tips, if I would really suggest people to apply, do the 3-2-1 technique of stopping a negative thought, replace it with a positive thought. नहीं हुआ पहली बार, वापस कीजिए till you succeed. करना तो पड़ेगा.
You know what I wanted to say just now? The whole time talking, I've got this big smile on my face, and I was thinking, oh, she said this, I need to remember this, I'm going to write this down. And then you said the second thing and the third thing and the fourth thing. So basically, I have to make sure that we download this entire conversation and I keep it on my phone for going back to it, because you're right, it's practical, it's positive, and it's something physical that we can do.
Yes. Everything physical, because if you have touch upon the mind space, आपको physical से ही mind को touch करोगे, mind से ही physical को touch करोगे. It is interconnected. It is one.
Yeah.
दोनों अलग तो है ही नहीं.
Yeah, absolutely.
I know Vivek ji is writing some stuff down.
अच्छा वो मुझे नहीं दिखा because I'm only looking at you right now. But I feel like writing. Like I said, I'm just going to download the entire this bit that you have spoken and keep it with me, because it will really help in the long run.
Of course.
Because,
of course.
You know, also so many times, whatever you want to do in life, you want to learn a new skill, you want to become a better professional, balance your weight, even keep patience when you're dealing with children. to this lockdown period, which has been very stressful and full of anxiety for everyone we know. It's a whole world which is full of a lot of weight, and if you know how to shed it, you can be of much more use to people
Yeah.
around.
Yeah. See, it is firstly, don't wait for uh, a catastrophe to happen before you take charge of the mind. नहीं तो हम we keep waiting कि अगर कुछ life crashing ऐसा कुछ हुआ, then we'll start taking some action towards our mental space. Don't wait for that to happen. It is very very vital कि जब situation normal हो, तब आप इसको apply करोगे तो और easy होगा. But now we don't have a choice. We have to deal with anxiety at this moment. Again, start with the basic practice. Everything will go back to uh, starting your practice. क्योंकि अभी हम discuss कर रहे हैं, we are talking about it, but nothing will change till you practice it yourself, because only you can make that change. And anxiety, a very renowned neuroscientist who studies the brain said that physiologically, मतलब कि आपकी body में anxiety and excitement feel exactly the same. Think for 2 seconds. Anxiety and excitement, physically, they feel the same. Am I right?
Yes, actually, yeah.
The only thing different is the story you are repeating in your head.
Yeah.
How beautiful. Think about it. The only thing that is different is the story that I'm playing in my head. The story during excitement is a very, what do you say, a pleasant story. And the story that I'm playing in my head, मतलब कि मेरे thoughts जो चल रहे हैं mind में, they are negative when the anxiety phase is going on. All you do is slow down your breathing and change the story in your head.
I'm going.
मेरे पास एक और tip है, which people might find very filmy. It is not filmy. It is very very real. I have done it. I just take my right hand, I put it on my heart, and I say all is well.
All is well.
And I say all is well. I actually have done it.
But you know, I think that is something this movie started off in a landslide. 3 Idiots.
Yes, yeah.
It suddenly became something that normal people all around us, youngsters, they started telling themselves all is well, and you're right, it works.
आप think about it, Charu. From such a young age, we हमने तो इतना, at least मैंने इतना experience नहीं किया competition, because my parents were not that, they would never force me that much to study or excel, and luckily I did excel in whatever I tried to do. But ऐसा कोई pressure नहीं था. But आजकल जो pressure है, so from such a young age, we are constantly being asked to perform at a very high level, as if we have to prove ourselves at every point. Prove that you are worthy. Prove A laoge, then you have worth. Prove that agar itna salary mil raha hai, then you have worth. I think that is very ridiculous. This is the reason why the suicide rates have gone so high in the younger generation. कि मतलब कि हमने सिखाया ही नहीं कि आपकी लाइफ की वैल्यू है विदाउट द ग्रेड्स, विदाउट द मनी, without the relationship. हमने सिखाया ही नहीं कि आपकी लाइफ की वैल्यू है. That is why the simple gratitude practice that I said, when you wake up in the morning, it is very very vital for youngsters, for us to have value for life. You know, we take it for granted कि like we are waiting to drop dead to know, okay, shit, we lost something. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. We should know the value while it is there.
Yeah.
What that does is starts slowly changing your perspective. तो कोई भी problem ऐसी नहीं लगेगी जिसके लिए आप जान दे दो.
Yeah, you're important.
You are vital. You are. तो कोई problem. I don't understand. I actually fall short of words when I think that somebody could take their life so lightly. I feel that I failed as a human species, that मैंने ये message किसी को pass नहीं किया कि कितनी beautiful life है. Even if you don't have that perfect job or that perfect career or that perfect looks or the perfect boyfriend or girlfriend or wife or husband, you are still an invaluable piece of life.
Yeah.
uh, this uh, thought has to be embedded in a child's mind from a very young age. Like I have my online classes going on www.shivahamofficial.com. So we have Shivaham has his physical fitness. I have my mental fitness classes. Usme there are mothers who have just given birth to a baby, and there's a 3-month-old baby with her when she does the pranayams. And I teach the mother, keep your right hand on your child and tell your baby the most valuable thing you can ever have, my child, is life. Mothers have to start doing this. Fathers have to start saying this to their children, because we are losing the next generation to ridiculous amount of stress, undue stress, which should not happen to any species.
My kid often comes up to me and tells me, I'm stressed out because this happened. And I spoke about this to you the other day. I told you,
Yes, yes.
child, and he's not supposed to have stress. At his age, I didn't even know what stress was. And you're absolutely right. We need to talk more and more about these things.
And give them the tools,
My
give them the
last,
tools
my
to
last
relieve.
formal question to you, Vrinda. Of course, you've said that it's all right, you can get over things, of course. But so many times we work towards something, so many times we put in all the energy we have, uh, all the focus we have into achieving a particular thing. And when we don't get it, I'm not talking of extremities which lead to suicide, but I'm talking about a normal person's reaction.
How to
Yeah,
failure, simple
failure.
failure.
How do you accept failure?
How do you accept failure? How I'll tell you how I accept failure. What is most important for me is, did I give it my 100%? That is very, very important for me to sleep peacefully at night. For me, if I have given something my 100% and it still did not work, it's okay. It's absolutely fine,
Yeah.
because there's nothing more I could have done. If there was something more I could have done, I would have done it. But if nothing more, then I again take back my focus to all that I have. I'm giving you practical ways how I use my mind. So we all don't succeed in everything we do. मैंने 100% किसी चीज को दिया with full belief कि ये होके रहेगा, नहीं हुआ. तो क्या हुआ? मेरी लाइफ तो खत्म नहीं हो गई. मेरे को खाना है खाने को, मेरे पास घर है रहने को, मेरे पास फैमिली है जो इतना प्यार करती है, मेरे पास हेल्थ है, वो भी अगर वो भी नहीं है तो पंखा है, पंखे की हवा चल रही है. Small small things I would pick up to feel good about that situation. This is the way anybody who has ever succeeded in life, कोई भी फर्स्ट शॉट में नहीं बना, कोई भी हो, बहुत रेयर केस होगा जो पहले शॉट में पहुंच गया. तो अगर पहली बारी हार के किसी ने ऐसा नहीं सोचा होता कि वापस करेंगे, वापस ट्राई करेंगे, वापस भी नहीं हुआ, तीसरी बारी करेंगे, तीसरी बारी भी नहीं हुआ, तो whole life is this only, no? But you keep trying, sometimes you get it, sometimes you miss it, that is all fine. But do not let the issues of life become so big that life becomes small in comparison. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. मैं ये नहीं बोल रही कि आप अपसेट नहीं होगे अगर आप कुछ किया और वो हुआ नहीं. हो जाओ अपसेट, 5 दिन के लिए हो जाओ, 10 दिन के लिए हो जाओ, चलो ग्रेस पीरियड. उसके बाद क्या? उठना तो पड़ेगा. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट हिटिंग रॉक बॉटम इज द ओनली वेज आप उसके नीचे कहाँ जाओगे. See, when you have nothing to lose, it is not such a bad situation. It's a very liberating situation. So आपका नजरिया, your perspective is what is most important in life. It is very, very vital that you use your perspective towards life very, very productively. Very, very productively. If you hit rock bottom, get up, walk again.
We'll wind up with a question on relationships. So I think modern relationships usually go downwards because of the weight of expectations we put on everyone around us. And maybe it's all right to think that humne itna kiya, the other one should at least give us X amount back. But in the end, I realized the weight of expectations actually sinks a relationship. And I think that's advice which is going to go a long way with everybody who will be hearing us today.
I totally agree, but also it is because out of habit we have we are expected to expect out of habit. बचपन से सीखा है कि अच्छा मैंने इतना प्यार दिया तो मम्मी इतना प्यार करेगी, मैंने अच्छा काम किया तो मुझे शाबाशी मिलेगी. एवरीथिंग हैज एक्सपेक्टेशन अटैच्ड टू इट. तो वो एक प्रोग्राम है जो दिमाग में बैठा हुआ है. इट इज जस्ट अ प्रोग्राम. वो प्रोग्राम को अनडू करना है, न्यू प्रोग्राम उसकी जगह इम्प्लांट करना है. आई लाइक टू गिव सेल्फलेस. आई वर्क, आई गिव इट माई बेस्ट. ये आप अगेन इट विल टेक बेबी स्टेप्स. जो सालों साल लगे जो प्रोग्रामिंग को, वो ओवरनाइट तो नहीं जाएगी, वो 2-3 दिन में भी नहीं जाएगी, लेकिन इट विल बिकम स्टार्ट गेटिंग लेसर एंड लेसर एंड लेसर ओवर टाइम. देन यू बिकम सो हैप्पी. सी अभी why we expect is because we keep attaching our happiness to things around us, things and people and places and accomplishments around us. That is the problem. ये भी प्रोग्राम है कि कुछ अच्छा होगा then I'll be happy. हाँ, this is a simple program. Once you start, आपको मैं simple question पूछती हूँ to all of you. What is happiness? Physiologically, हाँ, चारू unmute ना, you're on mute. One sec. Charu, you're on. हाँ, now you are unmute.
Now you can hear me.
And now I can hear you.
इतनी excited हो गई थी to give you an answer. See, look at me. So you know, my state of happiness is when I need nothing. I am perfectly comfortable just the way I am. गर्मी सर्दी का कोई चक्कर नहीं है. There's nowhere I want to go. There's nobody I need to talk to. There's no pressure on my mind. And usually it is it comes to you in bursts during the day, right?
Yeah.
Sitting with the book and you're reading something, and it's a physical thing also with me. It hits me and I feel, "Arey wow, I'm very happy right now." Or if I'm listening to some song while I'm getting ready, and I hear this one particular line and I feel, "Kitni achhi likhi hai na?" I'm damn happy. So for me, it comes in bursts through the day. I don't know how it is with other people.
I'm sure it is very similar with other people as well. So कईयों की expectation थोड़ी ज़्यादा होती है, but our happiness, biochemically speaking, biologically speaking, it's just chemicals in your head.
Yeah.
Dopamine, endorphin, serotonin, melanin, chemicals हैं दिमाग में. अभी हमने उनका ट्रिगर ना बाहर रखा हुआ है कि मैंने कुछ पढ़ा, मैंने कुछ सुना, मेरे लिए कुछ अच्छा हुआ, तो ये केमिकल रिलीज होंगे. ये हम मान के चल रहे हैं क्योंकि ऐसी प्रोग्रामिंग है. पेरेंट्स की भी ऐसी प्रोग्रामिंग थी, वही हमें मिली है. व्हाट इफ वी चेंज द प्रोग्राम कि वी कैन रिलीज दीज केमिकल्स एट विल. जब चाहे 5 मिनट ऐसे बैठ गए एंड यू गेट अ डोपामिन फिक्स और यू गेट अ एंडोर्फिन रश. होता है यार, होता है ना समाधि में लोगों को. आई एम नॉट इवन गोइंग दैट. आप प्राणायाम करोगे, you actually get that high feeling. I never needed alcohol in my life. I've never needed substance in my life. क्यों? क्योंकि with breath you can naturally release the opioids. Opioids कहते हैं इनको. You can release your body's natural opioid production increases through pranayams. बहुत research हुआ इस पे. And so you are happy in your own skin. वो होए अच्छा, नहीं हुआ उसकी मर्जी, और भी अच्छा, कुछ अच्छा ही निकलेगा इसमें से. There is always develop this belief. हर चीज में अगर मेरी इच्छा से हुई, great, enjoy it. नहीं हुई, इसमें भी कुछ अच्छा ही होगा. And trust me, over time, if you look back, you see, अच्छा, thank God वो नहीं हुआ.
Actually,
thank God. कितनी बार ऐसा होता है, कितनी बार ऐसा होता है. Yeah. So there is a larger intelligence, there is a divine intelligence जो हमें बहुत subtly, जिसका हम हिस्सा हैं, जो हमें बहुत subtly guide करती है. कभी हमें चोट भी लगती है, कभी हम रोते भी हैं, लेकिन never lose your trust in this intelligence. This is what we call divinity. We are made of it. So जैसे वो हाथ पकड़ के आपको चला रही, and even if it is a bumpy ride, over time you will see all is well.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, all should be well.
Vrinda,
Is
can
what
you
I
just
believe.
express a whole lot of love I'm feeling for you right now?
Oh, thank you so
You
much.
are a fantastic person, phenomenally warm, full of so much positivity, and I'm feeling extremely lucky we've had the chance to speak to you today. Not just me, everybody will be reaching through our Facebook. I'm going to try and edit out portions of when you're speaking. We'll put it on Twitter. I'll tag you. Uh, Everybody needs to hear you speak, so we all benefit. So a big
I'm so glad.
from the Positive Project, from everybody who's joined us today. I know people have questions, but I think seeing all the questions, Vrinda has already addressed everything. Go back to Facebook Live. I think this is my advice. Make sure people around you hear her. Make sure that you make your family members, your closest friends hear her, because this is what we need right now. Hope for the future and presence of some brightness. So thank you so much, Vrinda. A long distance hug to you. When I come,
Thank you.
I'm going to see you.
Thank you so much, Charu. Just before signing off, I want to just answer one question, which one somebody asked, even Shubham, that how to make your thought, word, and action align.
This happened in Shivoham session.
Yes. So I think the person asked the question again कि मैं अपना विचार, अपना वाक means my speech, विचार, वाक और मेरी क्रिया means my action, तीनों को कैसे align करूं? How should they match? Because आजकल हम कुछ और सोचते कुछ और हैं, बोलते कुछ और हैं, करते बिल्कुल कुछ और है. So वो एक इतनी बड़ी पावर है. जब हम शक्ति कहते हैं ना, तो विचार शक्ति, वाक शक्ति और क्रिया शक्ति जब तीनों अलाइन करते हैं, तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो आप नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिकली, एनर्जेटिकली वो एक बहुत पावरफुल फोर्स फील्ड बन जाता है. सो सिंपल tip for that is intent. Intend that this is what I want to do. So quick tip I will give you कि मैं इसको कैसे अप्लाई करती हूँ इस चीज को. अगर मैं कहीं जा रही हूँ और कहीं मुझे पहुंचने में मुझे पता है कि मुझे 15 मिनट लगेंगे, तो मैं कभी नहीं बोलूंगी मुझे 5 मिनट में पहुंचना. नहीं, मैं 15 मिनट में पहुंच रही हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा गूगल मैप बता रहा है कि मैं 15 मिनट में पहुंच रही हूँ. Another thing, if somebody asks you the time and you have seen 11:43, don't say बस 12 बजने वाले. Say 11:43. मैंने जो देखा, मैंने जो प्रोसेस किया और मैंने जो बोला, वो एक ही चीज है. ऐसा नहीं मैंने देखा कुछ और, प्रोसेस कुछ और किया, बोला कुछ और. तो ये बहुत स्मॉल टिप्स हैं which once you start applying, कि जो सुना है, जो सोचा है, वही बोलिए. अगर आपको लगता है वो किसी को हर्ट करेगा, तो बोलिए ही मत. Then don't speak. Then forever hold your peace. But if you have being honesty is not just the best policy. It is a very big power, a very very big power. So use it wisely, and ये develop की जाती है over a period of time.
Yeah, that's another bit of excellent advice. And Acha, why you got this question? I don't know if anybody else wants to add something to Vrinda, but I'm just going to introduce a few members of the team to you. There is Deep, who is behind the scenes. So he's the face who's behind the name Positive Project here right now.
Hello, Deep.
Sure, there are no technical issues. Abhishek is right here. Hina is here. Devyani is here.
Hello, everyone.
That's everyone from the Positive team. And Anashika has joined us now. She is back. So I just wanted to introduce them to you by name, because this is the happiest team I've worked with in my whole life. And I'm sure
so glad.
as delighted as I am on meeting you today. Thank you so much again, Vrinda. I'll be calling you.
Thank you.
और मैं तो publicly announce कर रही हूँ. I've given myself to you अभी. So adopt me and make sure I stay with myself.
I have given myself to the divine. You've given yourself to me. So we all are basically to the divine.
good hands. हाँ, भगवान
We are all in good hands.
perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Lots of love, warm hug.
Thank you.
Jadoo ki jaffi to everyone.
Bye, Vrinda.
Virtual. Take care.